Get. Hey, what up, niggas?
Yeah, you know what the fuck this is. Open your motherfucking ears, pay attention. You in the mix with my homeboy, DJ Mimo.
What's up, nigga? In the beginning, I was humble, just thankful for making it out the jungle. I've never ever said nothing on this mic I didn't want to. I'm a soldier, and soon as 50 give me a mission, I'm on my enemy's territory, then play my position. And homie know me, even that nigga that's wearing your chain. See, we both from the south, but homie, we ain't the same. And I remain in the same fucking project buildings. I got guns everywhere, bullet holes in the ceiling, my adrenaline pumping. Got the 12 gauge dumping out the back of this cutlass. If I get hit up, then fuck it, the reaper coming, so don't look back. Just keep running, tail 50 for this hit, I don't need nothing, you're only one. Then show me son and where he be at, that's all I need to know. You can go, I'ma be back. Any other time, I probably would've asked Banks to ride, but this ain't got nothing to do with G-Unit, nigga. Just you and I.
Now you can tell by my everyday fits, I ain't rich, I sneak with a piece when I crit. I'm just another gap man, caught up in the mix. Tryna take your dollar and your 15 cents. Now you can tell by my everyday fits, I ain't rich, I sneak with a piece when I crit. I'm just another gap man, caught up in the mix. Tryna take your dollar and your 15 cents.
I hit you up, I'm talking about banging something. Chill off in your crib and have a thing, probably make this thing or something. Girl, you like my bottom bitch, post my bill, pay for my lawyer. Play your position when the mother hoes get out of order. When you wanna give me that pussy, you purchase a plane ticket. Roll around town when I bust her down, then one shit like them names did it. Got a dick grip, my dick's mirror lipstick. Basically, if this bitch play with me, she paying me. I'm on some pimp shit for real. It's 2 a.m. club, was about to close up. Thumbing through my contacts, about to call one of my hoes up. Then I met you, kick game, and followed you to the breakfast spot. Fuck you like I married you that night up in the Marriott. Scream like you got your cherry pop. Drunk and switching up position, drunk and switching up position, drunk and switching up position. Thought this shit would never stop. Motherfucker in the mission. Dang.
Every brother in here, please take your hat off. At 7:03 p.m. New York time, 4:03 p.m. Las Vegas time, Tupac Shakur passed away, y'all. No, don't make no noise.
Thug for life.
Can we have a moment of silence for the memory of one of the greatest rappers that will ever live, Tupac Shakur?
Hey yo, Mimo, drop that shit.
Calling on call, and phony rap stars that think they got me. I'm on some Superman shit now, they shouldn't have shot me. Cause I'm convinced that my squad is real, and God has blessed me with the power to be hard to kill. I got a mind that's full of murderous thoughts. When unleashed, I make them niggas bow. Feel me now or be deceased, I ain't choosing sides. Hell nah, fuck everybody. It's West Side when I ride, rock with dead bodies. Lyrics and colorful words are anesthetics. Problems are getting worked out faster than calisthenics. I'm bulletproof, blazed up on top of my man's roof. Hands on the fully AK, so what you plan to do? Move motherfuckers till they feel me. It's West Coast, nigga, fuck New York. Let everybody hear me. You shot at my homies, now I'm a blast. Screaming thug like motherfucker when I pass.
DJ Mimo.
Now you can tell by my everyday fits, I ain't rich, I sneak with a piece when I crit. I'm just another gap man, caught up in the mix. Tryna take your dollar and your 15 cents. Now you can tell by my everyday fits, I ain't rich, I sneak with a piece when I crit. I'm just another gap man, caught up in the mix. Tryna take your dollar and your 15 cents.
With a pistol.
Yeah, niggas. Can't fuck with us. Tell them to come the fuck on. Scared of them bitch motherfuckers. Yeah. Day 2, sure look cute in them black suit. But even cuter behind the barrel of my 6-shooter. Hey, you look worried cause I ain't buck. Punks leave in a hurry cause I throw flurries making motherfuckers scurry. Come feel the flavor from my single. It brings cells tingle. I'm feeling stronger than a fucking Mandingo. And I house that for black history. I say strap and love the jack, those that slang that crack misery. Cause being a nigga means you love niggas. But how could you love niggas if you tryna drug niggas? You motherfuckers need your caps filled. Cause when blacks kill blacks, we stay trapped, and that's real. And we don't need no more statistics. It's time to get more realistic for the young, the black, and the gifted. And until my people get uplifted, there's no poppin' shit. gonna stop the plan of truth. Some say the government will watch me, but they can't stop me. I'm dropping evil when the people as my posse. And even if they pull their triggers, they can shoot one man, but nothing's gonna stop the plan of truth.
Whoever thugging on a quest to get G's, running from enemies ever since the days of a sea. I'm under pressure. The stress had me drinking, thinking niggas after me. Much too paranoid to blink. Wonder why the police don't wanna see me stacking G's. They after a player, but I won't let them capture me. I gotta thank the Lord for the weed and the nicotine. I can't sleep, close my eyes and see wicked things. I keep my pistol by my bedside, one in the chamber, preoccupied with homicide. My life's in danger, rolling down the 4-5. Beware strangers, hands on my 45. That's what the fame does. I'm probably wrong, but I'll never know until I'm gone. From out the gutter where the jealous motherfuckers roam. Pass the weed, let that Hennessy get to me before the penitentiary. Let's get it on.
Some say the government will watch me, but they can't stop me. I'm dropping evil when the people as my posse. And even if they pull their triggers, they can shoot one man, but nothing's gonna stop the plan of truth. Some say the government will watch me, but they can't stop me. I'm dropping evil when the people as my posse. And even if they pull their triggers, they can shoot one man, but nothing's gonna stop the plan of truth, niggas.
Right. Fuck them skinhead ass niggas. Fuck the police. And the Klan, here's what we do to the motherfucking Klan. Let's move.
They got me mobbing like I'm locked and ready to get my slug on. I load my clip and slip my motherfucking gloves on. I ain't scared to blast on these suckers if they test me. Plus, I got my block out and play if they press me. Bust some motherfuckers with a passion. Better duckers, I ain't looking with them. But blasting, I'm a nothing, drinking Hennessy and getting high on the lookout for my enemies. Don't wanna die, tell me why, cause the stress is getting major. A buck 50 goes to face with my razor. What can I do but be a thug until I'm dead and gone? I keep my brain on the game and stay headstrong. These sorry bastards wanna kill me in my sleep. I'm really cannot see him every day. It's just a struggle, steady thugging on the streets and I've been ballin' low. Don't let them make you worry, keep slinging at these suckers till you bury. I was born and raised hell, nigga from the gutter, work the mother on touch. I'm kicking dust up, ready to bust. I'm on the scene, steady mugging me. Until they kill me, I'll be living this life. I know you feel it, there's so much pain. Some say the government will watch me, but they can't stop me. I'm dropping evil when the people as my posse. And even if they pull their triggers, they can shoot one man, but nothing's gonna stop the plan of truth. Some say the government will watch me, but they can't stop me. I'm dropping evil when the people as my posse. And even if they pull their triggers, they can shoot one man, but nothing's gonna stop the plan of truth, niggas.